A very warm welcome to one and all gathered here today to celebrate this big day. तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरी सांज आवडेता. First of all, we thank Almighty God for today blessing Kutus, Joaquim, Moreira with this day, for blessing him with so many friends and family here today who have made the time to come here and be here. As we begin this party, we hope all of you all have been served. We have Venus and Celine today, this evening, to sing their hearts out to us. For your listening pleasure and your dancing pleasure too. So let's begin the party.
When the sound lingers and temptation strong into the boundary of each mountain line, the sweetest it comes going, and negativity lands, cold, cold heart. I don't buy you. Something's looking better, baby. Just pass it through. And it's no sacrifice, just a simple word. And it's two hearts living in a separate world. But it's no sacrifice, no sacrifice. It's no sacrifice. Mutual misunderstanding after the fact. Sensitivity builds a prison in a final act. We lose direction, no stone unturned, no tears to damn you. When jealousy burns, cold, cold heart. Something's looking better, baby. Just pass it through. And it's no sacrifice, just a simple word. Next to your house, living in a separate world. But it's no sacrifice. It's no sacrifice. Cold, cold heart, I don't buy you. Something's looking better, baby. Just pass it through. And it's no sacrifice, just a simple word. Makes two hearts living in a separate world. But it's no sacrifice, no sacrifice. It's no sacrifice. No sacrifice at all. No sacrifice at all. sa mundo. At sa umpisa na naway sa mundo. Agamakan asyanakan maka posyanakan maka digoso. Gabrema digoso. Kutus research na berpria. Agawa was nagawa tas nagawa ekatsu transa. Gabrema ekatsu transa.
Because we are going to get late, we have to have more music.
Thank you.
Trial round, trial round.
Let's go.
Yes, yes, Virat.
All the people who are sitting around can simply clap your hands.
I call the God child first and God child is out first. Okay, Venus, continue. Why are you snatching it from him? Okay, Baba, you're out. Next. Left and right is out. on the left and right is out.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Person holding the parcel is out. Okay, space out a
Spread-
little, space out a little.
Spread out, spread out.
The person on the left is out. Person on the right is out. Okay, now only 3 are left. Now you have to, when you get the parcel in your hand, you have to spin and then okay, the person on the left and right is out. The person holding it is the winner.